Well, the need for drones are increasing in all industries, and that's true also in law enforcement. It is a game changer for law enforcement, having drones in our fleet. I think that drones will replace some helicopters, right? And so they're cost effective. They're very effective when we use them. And the other thing that's so important to us, especially in the Sheriff's Office in Louisiana, is to have a company like SITECH right here locally in Baton Rouge that will take care of all your drone needs.
4 or 5 months ago, I first started talking with the sheriff, and quite simply, he was wanting to further expand some drone technology into their law enforcement capabilities. So today we're here doing the initial training, the initial rollout for the drone program, and getting all the deputies up to speed on how to fly the drones and all the technology.
When we brought drones on board at the Sheriff's Office, we had our deputies to get really excited about it. Because first of all, they like the new technology. New technology in law enforcement is not a new thing, but to have drones at our disposal is just been a big, major positive step in law enforcement. So there'll be a lot of situations like that where I think the drone would come in very, very handy when we're looking for folks that are lost, or when there's a criminal act that's taking place and we need an eye in the sky very quickly. You can do that now with the drones, and we think that's vital to our operations.